let's see how to add a stamp on PDF file. So we can see this is the PDF page, and to add a stamp, click on tools, then in share and review group we can see here a stamp option. Click on the down arrow, click on open. Now we can see the stamp option here. So click here on the stamp. We can see approved, dynamic, sign here, standard business, add current stamp to favorite, new stamp. So let me click on approve and let me paste here. We can see I have approved this page. So click here to close. We can see the stamp has been marked here. Now let's explore the other stamp. So again click on tool, again click on down arrow, click open. Now click on stamp again. Now see revised, review, received, approved, confidential. Let me mark as confidential. So click on it. Now you can see I have put the confidential stamp here. Let's see another example. So click on the stamp, sign here, witness, initial here, sign here, accepted, rejected. Let me click here on sign here. You can see it has been stamped with sign here. Now see other examples. Now see about the business standard: approved, not approved, draft, final, completed, confidential, for release, not for public release, for comment, void, preliminary, regent, information only. So click on completed. So in this way you can stamp any of the document. We can also delete the stamp by clicking here and press delete button. Again click here and press delete button on your keyboard. Again click here and press delete button. So in this way we can add a stamp and delete a stamp as per your needs. Now let's see how to create your own stamp. So to create your own stamp, click on tools, then in share and review group we can see a stamp tool here. Click on down arrow, click on open. Now you can see the stamp tools has been opened. So click on custom stamp. Now click on create. Now we can see this stamp, and to create your own stamp, click on browse, then click on any of the stamp, then click open. Now you can see this stamp, then click OK. Now it is asking for category. So it is asking for which category you want your stamp to be stored, like dynamic, sign here, or business standard. So let me click on business standard. Now you can name your stamp. It is red. Now click on OK. Now then click on stamp again. Then I have saved my stamp in business standard. You can see this is the stamp of mine. So click here and let me paste here. So in this way you can create your own stamp. Let me show you how to delete the stamp. So click here again, then click on manage, then click here because this is the name I have saved. Then you can edit it, delete it. Let me delete it. Click OK. Now click here, click on business standard. You can no longer see my stamp here. So in this way you can create your own stamp and also delete your stamp as per your needs.